into the Hindu Dharma, and he has given some. Because how your request came, I don't know, but because I didn't know you, I could not confirm it.
सबसे पहले तपन जी हिंदू समिति और आप सबको मैं आभारी हूँ कि मुझे ये मंच पे बुलाया, कि मौका दिया गया